What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Bringing you another Thanksgiving staple here. Perfect for the holidays. You gotta have that candied yams on the table too. Two ways. Look, we got regular right here. Then personally me, I like it with some melted marshmallows. But let me know down in the comments which way you like it. I'm gonna show you both. All that juice just soaked down on the bottom there. My last video was that baked mac and cheese. Y'all know, the real ones know something magical happens when on the plate that yam juice touches the mac and cheese. Anyway, ingredients, go ahead and get your sweet potatoes here or yams. I got some bourbon, ground nutmeg, ground cloves, cinnamon, a little bit of salt, some butter, vanilla, cane sugar, and light brown sugar. We're gonna go ahead and start off by just peeling our sweet potato like this. No special way, just go ahead and take the skin off. And once that's all peeled, go ahead and just rinse them off like this. I'm going to just go ahead and pat them dry. Do that for all your sweet potatoes now. And once they're all peeled and cleaned up, let's get them on that cutting board. Guys, a bunch of different ways you could do it. There's really no special way. You cut them up however you like. I'm doing it in a way that it cooks a little bit faster. And personally, you know, I just like to grab it with a fork, you know, in the shape like this, so, you know, not super thick. Go ahead and do that for your sweet potatoes like that. Throw them into your baking dish, and we're about to get started on that sauce. So I'm going in with the whole stick of butter right here. Treat yourselves, it's a holiday. Now just go ahead and melt that down. This is where I like to throw in my bourbon right here. Not too much, just a little bit. It's also going to help thicken up the sauce a little bit too, but you know, it does add a nice like syrupy flavor there. So now I'm just going to go ahead and throw in the sugar. I got all the measurements down in the description for you too, so go ahead and check that out. I'm not even going to tell you the measurements and everything right now. Pinch of that salt. Now just go ahead and mix it up. Make sure, you know, all that sugar and the salt combines with that butter and bourbon. This is also on medium heat right here, by the way, too. All right, so now go ahead and just throw in some of that vanilla extract. Not too much, because you know that vanilla is pretty strong, so you know, not a whole lot. We're gonna get some of that cinnamon in there. Now I'm throwing in some of that nutmeg. You do not have to go heavy on the nutmeg or the cloves. I'm telling you, they are very strong spices, so I'd recommend you just go very light. As you can see, you know, I didn't throw too much. I'm telling you, they pack a real punch, so don't go too heavy on them if you do end up adding them. So now go ahead, just combine everything like that. And hey, look, listen, super simple. We're doing this with very easy ingredients. You know, this is very inexpensive stuff you could find at, you know, any of your local grocery stores. Go ahead and just pour that sauce over top of the your yams. Make sure, you know, you get every last little bit into there. All the flavor counts. I just get, you know, like enough nice little rough mix. You know, move them all around. It really ain't gonna matter too much right now, because once it bakes, you'll see in a second. By the way, we are baking this on 375, so you could preheat your oven to that too. Once it's all mixed up, go ahead and just cover it with some foil. Now this was after about 30 minutes right here, a half hour in 375 while covered. You can see it really starting to steam, and take a look at what's happening with that, you know, that sauce. Yeah, you see it's you know, really expanded. It's getting juicy in there. A lot of people say, you know, at first hand they think it's not enough, you know, and they go too heavy on the butter and stuff. But hey, hold up. What, y'all thought I wasn't drinking today? You think I'm just using bourbon in the recipe and not drinking? Come on now, you know me better than that. After you throw them back into the oven, uncovered now, check these out. You see how it's steaming? You see the color we done got on them yams? You see how that sauce is looking thickened up a little bit? Hey, look, listen. Now let's go ahead and throw them marshmallows on. Sped it up here just because you don't really need to watch me put marshmallows on, but I just want to show you anyway because I like to, get it all across, make sure that there's, marshmallows in every single bite. So just go ahead and throw them on there, no special way. If you want to use them, I know some people don't, and then go ahead and just top it with a little extra cinnamon. Looking good, guys. These don't take too long, you know what I mean? It's just marshmallows. I'm sure y'all made s'mores before. Listen, they melt down quick. Just, brown it a little bit. Nice presentation, and look, even extra flavor melts down into that sauce. I'm telling you. Check me out. Like, hey, look, y'all see I done poured me a little bit more, right? So I'm gonna just take me a little sample of this real quick. Throw it onto my plate. Check me out. Look. Listen, that flavor was hitting. Soon as it touch your tongue, flavor in there. Go ahead, wash it down. Hey, by the way, listen, just hit 100 subscribers. Really appreciate all the support and everybody. If you like what you saw today, don't be afraid to, subscribe, share, and hit that like button, y'all. Appreciate everybody.